Hello and welcome to In Printing Color. My name is Liz, aka pezliz, and we are streaming live on twitch.tv/pezliz. Now, last summer, we had a hot filament summer. And that means, of course, if you were 3D printing, you had the option to test the heat with Polymaker's HT-PLA launch. Polymaker's HT-PLA proved to be a really awesome collection of filament, including the HT-PLA GF, but people wanted more. And what did they want? They wanted stronger HT-PLA. So this summer, Polymaker has released HT-PLA Pro, which is 2 times stronger, but can still withstand 150 degrees Celsius, that's 300 degrees Fahrenheit in heat. Hopefully your summer is not that hot, but leaving items that you 3D printed in your car, having signs for shows, and I've been seeing in a lot of those support groups, they've had a lot of things warp and melt. We want you to be able to print with ease at the same settings of regular PLA, but have not just the strength, but also the ability to have your items outside in the heat. So that is Polymaker's HT-PLA Pro. I keep on swinging this axe at you. And this is actually by our friend Wekster. This axe even has a mallet on it. This is in the dark gray and the army beige HT-PLA Pro from Polymaker. And this model is really fun because Wekster actually did a video where he's like smashing a bunch of things and seeing how strong this filament really is. What do you print with this filament? Everything. So as someone who likes to print and hand things out to kids a lot, I printed Fixumdude's awesome Jeep in the burnt orange. If you are the type who likes to duck Jeeps, but you don't want your Jeep duck to melt in this heat, this is all in Polymaker HT-PLA Pro, and this is K2 Kevin's latest Jeep duck. I also have, if you want to go a little bit traditional with your duck for Jeeping, this is Karen Chau's baby duck. So we got all kinds of fun options here. If you're looking for something functional, let's say your workshop is in your garage and your garage is not quite air conditioned. Things like rugged organizers, you can print an HT-PLA Pro. Then you will not have to worry about warping or melting in the higher temperatures. If you're someone who loves a porch goose, this is the smoggy 3D goose, I think printed at 200% size, but this is done in HT-PLA white, orange, and black. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course you could print this mega size, as big as your printer can get it. And there's other porch geese that you can do, but this is something that can withstand the high temperatures. Whether you live in Texas or in Tallahassee, if you live in Nova Scotia or Nevada, your porch goose will be good. Also, if you're someone who likes to put up signs or have signs at shows and things like that, this is really good for things like that, including this beautiful Carousel of Progress sign that I did in the army beige, the orange, and the green, as well as the dark gray. All kinds of awesome colors. So let's take a look at this. You might be surprised because with this JamesThePrinter wave, summer wave can Koozy, you know I love colors. Look at that magenta, the yellow, the teal, and the blue. Absolutely gorgeous. But my favorite color out of this whole collection is burnt orange. As you can see, I am more than 3/4 the way through of my spool. This burnt orange is absolutely stunning, and it is a new color for Polymaker. So I'm really enjoying this color. It's absolutely gorgeous. I printed quite a few things, including the Dummy 13 kit card, which I'm going to be assembling. I have one in the orange and gray here. My first Dummy 13 that I actually ever assembled. So all kinds of fun things, but let's take a look at the filament. So you can get to know all the different colors and decide how you want to go about your adventure with HT-PLA Pro from Polymaker. You want to stock up on this. This is amazing stuff because HT-PLA Pro prints like regular PLA, but has the two times the strength of the HT-PLA, and of course has that heat resistance. So as this is in printing color, let's take a look at the colors. We have black, white, gray, a beautiful red. This blue is so beautiful. I love it. We've got orange, Polymaker teal, green, a very lovely yellow, brown, dark gray, which I absolutely love. Finally, an HT-PLA, the Pro in purple. We asked for purple last time. Now we have it. We have a pink, a beautiful pink. But not only do we have pink, we have magenta. And this is absolutely stunning. As I mentioned, I am in love with the burnt orange. Stunning, stunning, gorgeous filament. The army beige is very, very nice. We have army green as well. And last but not least, the 3D Print General Creator Spool is being transitioned to, the Flat Dark Earth is being transitioned to HT-PLA Pro. So this beautiful color as well. I've actually done a lot of birdhouses and functional items with this filament, but now that we have all of these colors, you can certainly choose your own adventure when it comes to that. So it says right here, and all the information you might want to know about this filament is right on the Polymaker website. This is the beauty of the Polymaker website. Polymaker HT-PLA Pro is tough PLA for functional parts that need better durability in real world use. It prints as easily as standard PLA and keeps its shape without load in warm environments. It's made for makers, engineers, and print farms that need real durability without added printing complexity. So if you don't have an enclosure, if you're not prepared to print with ABS or ASA, if you don't want to deal with drying filament nonstop like pezliz, especially this time of year, HT-PLA Pro is here for you. So Polymaker HT-PLA Pro is designed to keep its shape in heat-exposed environments without load. Its Vicat softening temperature reaches 148.3 degrees Celsius straight off the build plate and 150.5 degrees Celsius after annealing. And you can learn a little bit more about annealing through wiki.polymaker.com. Polymaker has a wiki. As you can see here, this is functional parts for warm environments. And this is stuff that if you leave it outside, you're not going to lose it. Because if anyone's experienced, you know, printing signs, having little toys and fidgets, you leave it outside in the summer heat and it can have problems. But it absolutely prints just like PLA. No extra special settings. As you can see, the toughness starts within. It has 2 times the impact strength and 30% more layered adhesion than regular PLA. That's what makes it pro. And as you can see here with the example, it does not collapse in the heat. You can see some PC, some ABS, some pezliz and PLA, all of it sagging there. That is a real oven. As the example, the HT-PLA Pro stays strong up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. And of course, you can print all sorts of fun things with this. You've got toys. So all of those things that you might leave outside during the summer, household items that you're going to be using. You know, you've got refrigerators, you've got all kinds of ovens, all sorts of things around you that have higher heat and might warp. Also for outdoor play and for functional parts. We've seen the video from Polymaker, or if you haven't seen it, I will try to link it in the description, where Luke has tested a whole bunch of things with this filament. Absolutely amazing. So as I mentioned, it prints with standard PLA settings, regular PLA settings. No need to have anything special with that. And it's absolutely awesome. So this is actually dried before sealing. That is not always the case for filaments. This is super useful information. And of course, it is hygroscopic like any filament if you're in a humid environment. So you can put it in the poly dryer I believe under regular PLA settings. There should be more information under things like print settings. There you go. Drying settings, yep. 60 degrees Celsius for 6 hours. So there you go. But it is ready for you. I can't wait to keep on printing with HT-PLA Pro, and I will be putting it to the test, whether it's with ducking Jeeps outside or having some functional prints, some birdhouses, all kinds of fun things outdoors. I can't wait to see what everyone is going to be printing with it. But as I mentioned, with the HT-PLA Pro, it is on sale for a limited time for the bulk purchases, and grab it now. Look at all those colors. Absolutely awesome. So this has been In Printing Color, again, brought to you by Polymaker. If you have any questions, certainly ask in the comments below. Also, app.polymaker.com has all sorts of information. The Polymaker Wiki has all sorts of information. And of course, now there are print profiles for Polymaker filaments as well. Polymaker's websites have all sorts of information. But of course, most importantly, my affiliate link is shop.polymaker.com/pezliz. And if you use code pezliz the first time, you save 15%. But this has been In Printing Color. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll come back and learn about even more filament. Also, take a look at all the different playlists for information about all kinds of awesome Polymaker filaments and their purposes. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt. Thank you so much, and happy printing.